Kiran. Good morning, everyone. Good morning to all people. I am Jennifer Castro again. Today I will be fast talk with what's your name?
Mrs. Magdalena Minguez Espejo.
Yes. Today I will be give her 20 questions to answer. But for the questions is simple questions. But
Long.
yes, there have funny questions annoying. Okay, ready for fast talk? Ready for the fast talk?
Pastor?
Ready. Okay. I will give you 2 minutes. Okay. Your time, in 2 minutes, your timer starts now. Coffee or tea?
Tea.
Text or call?
Call.
Call. Save money or spend money?
Save money.
Wow. Cook or order out?
Cook.
Hot weather or cold weather?
Hot.
Tatakbo or lalakad?
Lalakad.
Congressman A.E. Legarda, sino gusto mo? Politician A.E. Legarda, congressman, or si Governor Paulo Javier?
Both.
Sino gusto mo? Senador Loren Legarda or si Senador Ronald De La Rosa?
Loren Legarda.
Stay home or go out?
Stay home.
Suka o toyo?
Toyo.
Ano ang mas feeling mo?
Spelling.
Ano ang mas feeling mo sa in yourself?
To relax.
Favorite holiday?
Christmas.
Favorite hobbies?
Cooking.
Favorite meat?
Chicken meat.
Ano?
Chicken meat.
Chicken meat. Okay. Favorite movie and song?
Comedy and love songs.
Favorite actors and actresses? Sino gusto mo? Si
Sharon and...
si Luis Gonzalo, si Martin Rivera.
Si Sharon and... Marco Sison. Singer ko.
Okay. Pinakamaganda sa lugar?
Ganda sa lugar natin.
Pinakamaganda sa lugar?
Tike.
Pinakamahaba ng oras sa tulog mo? How many hours nagturog ikaw?
8 to 10.
Pinakamahirap ng tanong na sinagot mo? Pinakahirap? Ano na ba yan? Imo kang sabat mo?
Mathematics. Ano ba yun? Ang problem.
Okay. Ang pinakamatapang na tao ang kilala mo, sino kilala mo?
Lapu-lapu.
What's your annoying habit you secretly love?
My first love.
Lights on, lights off.
Lights off.
Yes or no, the size matter.
Yes.
Sex or chocolates?
Chocolate.
Best time for sex. Ano oras ka nag-sex? Until or everyday morning? Ano oras mo nag-sex?
Night time.
Wow. Okay. Goodbye and please subscribe in this video in the YouTube Jennifer Castro Talk channel and the interview with Jennifer Castro in the Facebook page. Please follow and support my content vlog. Goodbye.